Look at this, another big pothole at this road. Ever wonder why these keep popping up after heavy rain?
It's like a magic. Rain comes and potholes appear. But actually, it's not a magic. It's a sign.
When rainwater seeps into the road, it weakens the layer underneath. Too much water infiltration and the road collapses. That's why it keeps happening. So, what if we told you there's a smarter way to fix it? Not just patching it up, but using waste materials like POFA, garnet waste, and even sawdust.
Sound crazy, right? Waste material to repair road, but trust us, it works. And we are going to show you how.
There are two issues. The first one is pothole issues, and the second one is waste generation.
It is our hybrid asphalt mixture. It's not just asphalt, it's blended with POFA, garnet waste, and sawdust. Sound unusual, right?
Why this material? Because they are waste products that can actually make the mix more stronger and more sustainable. Instead of throwing them away, we turn them into something useful.
This is the methodology that involves chemical tests, scanning electron microscopy, SEM, X-ray diffraction, XRD, and atomic force microscopy, AFM. For the physical tests involve penetration tests, softening point tests, and dynamic shear rheometer tests. For mechanical tests also involve three tests, that is Marshall stability test, dynamic creep test, and resilient modulus test. Meanwhile, the structure and morphology involve a response service methodology and also image J. Look at that! The mix fills the pothole perfectly, and once it sets, it's tough enough to handle rains and heavy traffic.
So, next time you see a pothole, imagine fixing it with waste materials. Cheaper, greener, and long-lasting.
This is just the beginning. We are testing, improving, and innovating. Stay tuned for the result and you'll be surprised.
This is the result and discussion for chemical tests. The first one is an individual result for SEM for POFA, garnet waste, and sawdust. This is the result for XRD, where POFA is high in silica oxide, garnet waste high in ferrum oxide, and sawdust high in calcium oxide. This is the result for the atomic force microscopy for individual waste. And as you can see, for C is 6% hybrid asphalt mixture. And this is the result and discussion for physical tests involving penetration and softening point tests, dynamic shear rheometer tests, and this is the mechanical test where 6% of hybrid asphalt mixture is the highest stability for the Marshall test. This is dynamic creep test result and resilient modulus test.
No more pothole. And it not just fixed, it fixed the smart way.
We use POFA, garnet waste, and sawdust. Why? Because these are waste materials that usually end up in landfills. Instead, we turn them into something powerful.
This hybrid asphalt isn't just strong, it's durable, long-lasting, and even have self-healing properties. This means this road can repair itself from small cracks over time.
This isn't just about fixing potholes. It's about saving the environment and building roads that last. The novelty of this innovation is a new self-healing materials for road maintenance. The new usage of POFA, garnet waste, and sawdust as hybrid materials, and also reduce cost of constructions and maintenance, and also reduce environmental impact. For cost estimation, the result save cost for constructions about 6% for the overall constructions, and for marketability and commercialization, it can improve strength performance, cost effectiveness of road constructions, and waste material is easily available. For market survey, as you can see here, differentiate with the normal asphalt and also current modified asphalt available in market. Hybrid asphalt mixture is high in reducing cracks, strength, and also environmental friendly. As a conclusion, POFA, garnet waste, sawdust, and AC14 is a hybrid asphalt mixture. It causes minimal or no disruption and easy to handle. It prolongs the lifespan of road and reduces road accident. This is some of the publication for hybrid asphalt mixture. This is our industrial partners EPS and Part Supply Malaysia Sdn Bhd, and this is the certificate of appreciation.
This pothole, it's never coming back, and it is the future material of road repair.